If giant food makes you want to do a happy dance, you're gonna love this one. Giant falafel. Yeah. Oh my goodness. They must be like, I don't know, like 7 times bigger than a normal sized falafel ball. And just to show a comparison to like my head, you can see it's almost half the size there. So if you love giant food, man oh man, are you gonna love these giant falafel balls. That's right, giant falafel balls. So let me show you. This is what we're working with here. It's crispy on the outside, coated with sesame seeds, as you can see, and I've already taken a bite and you see the glorious green goodness, and packed with red onions with some sumac and it looks like some other spices. Absolutely delicious. A must try here in Nablus. Just go for it, you're gonna love it. Oh. Delicious.